Hello, my name is Raymond Huan, and in this video I'd like to share with you the dangers of not understanding your business from a financial viewpoint, its consequences, and what you can do to overcome it. I'll be right back. I've encountered business owners who have some semblance of knowing how to read their financial statements of their business, but don't really take the effort to fully understand what these statements say or do or what they communicate to them about their business. Now, I understand that many times you are focused on the product and the delivery of service your business has and does to your customer, and therefore you hardly have enough time to look at the financial statements of your business. On top of that, you get your bookkeeper and your accountant to take care of all things financial and submit it to the tax office. And that's the last thing you want to do, is to understand numbers. Well, allow me to share with you that the most successful business owners that I know have a very good and firm grasp on their financial statements as far as their business is concerned. And why is that so? They realize that by not understanding these statements, a few things will probably happen. Number one, you will not know what is going on. If you do not know how to read your income statements and profit and loss statements from your business, you will not know whether you are really making money or not. I have come across businesses who think that they are making money, but upon deeper analysis of the financial statements, they find that the money that they make is actually being siphoned off or is actually being utilized by another resource, which they never thought it possible before. Number two, you will not be able to fully utilize the resources that your business has. If you do not know what is going on, you don't know how to use what you have because you don't know what you have. That leads me to number three. If you do not know what you have, planning your business becomes difficult. Planning for growth, planning for organic or exponential growth becomes next to impossible because you do not know the resources that your business has in order to go from point A to point B according to your plan. So how do you overcome that? How do you better understand your financial statements? I will share that with you very soon. Allow me to share with you two things that I have found that would help you get familiar with your financial statements. Firstly, ask for help. You're not doing this alone. There are a lot of people out there who can help you. Your accountant can help you, your business advisor can help you, even a friend who is more familiar with financial statements can help you. Go out and ask them. The key thing that I found for business owners who are not familiar and starting off this journey of getting to know their business better, the key thing I found is finding the right party or the right person who understands these statements and who is able to translate it to and make it easy for you to understand it. A person who is very technical, like for example, a foreseeing accountant, may be very good in understanding financial statements, but may not adequately be able to translate it to a layperson's terms for you to better understand it. So you have to find a person whom you trust and who can make it easy for you to understand. Go out and find that person and get his or her help for you to better understand your financial statements. The second thing I found that helps you better understand your business is, I call it rule of thumbs. Basically, if you are not too familiar with your financials, your business financial statements, get someone who is, sit down, do a thorough analysis, and from there start off with rules of thumb. For example, if you did $100,000 a month and you're making a 30% profit margin and all your operational expenses are the same, in the rule of thumb, your $100,000 a month is a break-even figure or a figure you're looking at to see that you are comfortable. Now, this rule of thumb works only if you know that in the immediate future there will not be much changes in your expenditure. You will not be hiring new people, your overheads will not increase, you will not be taking on new loans, and therefore your expenses are stable. Rule of thumbs work very well in simplifying your financial statements to a few measurements that you can make just off the top of your hands. That if you meet this criteria, your business is hitting an okay situation. However, it's not adequate if you plan to grow the business in the future. So rule of thumbs work in a stable environment and makes life easier for you. You just need to formulate what the rule of thumb for you is. It is my hope that these few things that I've provided for you gives you a better idea on how to overcome perhaps the phobia that you may face in looking at your financial statements. It is not that difficult if you do it properly, and it will give you a very good tool for you to move ahead and be more aware of the business in the future. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting more of such videos in the near future. I've authored a book, From 20K to 2 million in 2 years, which describes what companies facing exponential growth go through. You can download a free preview of that book down in my website, down below. If you just click to my website right now, and you can go to the page and download that free preview of that book. And feel free to explore my website, because it's got resources for you, for people who are interested in business and who want to grow their businesses in the future. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching this video.